Thanks for tuning in. And today, we're gonna do my brows. Alright, so here I have my brow pencil, and I'm just gonna darken up my brows a bit. I've already shaped them up some off camera, and the key to having the perfect brows, just make sure you shape your brows up before you draw them on or whatever. Alright, so I won't be talking this whole video because it's pretty much self-explanatory. All the products that I'm using in this video can be found at the dollar store, so it's very affordable brow slay. And I just like to go back and forth between brows so I can make sure that they're looking as similar as possible, because some people have like sister brows, cousin brows. Well, my brows are best friends. All right. And so now I'm just using my brow gel, and I'm just gonna go in, starting from like the middle, and lightly make strokes and create more of a uniform brow, I guess. And I'm gonna go back and forth between brows, making sure they're looking as close as possible, not too dark. And I'm setting in that gel with this powder, brow powder, I guess. It's like a brown shade, and I'm just gonna take that and tap the front of my brows lightly to fill them in, and also go over the rest of the brows. Of course, going back and forth between brows, making sure they're looking the same, and one's not too light, the other one isn't too dark. I'm taking this concealer to define them and shape them up, make them look oh so perfect. Going on the top and the bottom. Using my brush to blend and smooth the product, make sure that I can get a seamless underbrow. And you guys, someone said that to record from, if you're using your phone, to record from the back camera. So I did that, finished my brows and everything. They came out looking so popping. And so, I go to watch the video that I recorded, and come to find out I never even had my back camera turned on. Wow, I was so pissed. I'm like, really? That is exactly why I use my front camera. So I don't have problems like that. But yeah, I'm just blending these brows out. Everything is coming together. Yes, lovely. Doing some more blending here with my beauty blender, just to ensure that, you know, these brows are perfect. And yeah, here they are. Well, apparently I thought I was done, but I forgot the most important part. The highlight. I forgot that. So here I'm just adding my highlights. Yes, look at that glow. That is just so beautiful. This is the